wouldn't it be great to ask questions, receive that information, and be able to funnel that information into multiple places, create automated reports, create lists, create all types of emails, approval routes, all of that, and upload attachments? Well, you can do that with Microsoft Forms. And today we're going to talk a little bit about adding an attachment to a Microsoft form. And stay tuned, because at the end of the video, we're going to go through how to add it and what it looks like from a mobile phone perspective as well. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing is we want to open up Forms, and we want to create just a bogus form, as I've done here. This could be a final exam, could be an interview, could be anything, right? And I'm going to answer yes or no. And then based on the branching, I'm going to be able to say here, for example, when I go to branching, you can see here, provide a copy of your access, right? I'm going to go to question 2, or if they say no, I'm going to end the form. So that's as easy as that is. And also just as an FYI, to share, we're just going to go here. Now, it's important to note one of the limitations is that we cannot share outside of our organization. So we want to make sure that that's a value that's okay. They have to have a username and password for your organization, because they're uploading files into your organization. So you want to make sure that's happening. Okay, so let's look at the interview itself. This is from a mobile perspective. Now, what we're looking for is we're going to look for those files to end up here. Notice here I'm in OneDrive, and I just click on My Files, Apps, Microsoft Forms, Final Exam, and Question. So pretty straightforward. I'm going to say yes, and I want to upload a file. Now, I could generate anything that I want, by the way, from the size of the file. It gives you 3 options, I think, the number of files, things like that. But here, I'm just going to hit open. And now it's going to go ahead and upload that file. And now you see that file's been uploaded. Now I just hit submit. Now, notice here that the file limit is set to 1, 10, right? And these are the type of files that we permit. Let me show you while we submit that. Let me show you where that's at. So if we go here, we can select how many. We can also go in here and limit the number of files that they can upload. So we can do that. So that's pretty handy as well. So here you go. So the file's been submitted. Let's see if it made it over to the OneDrive. And sure enough, there it is. That's the file that we uploaded, and it works. So that's where we want it. Let's see what this looks like on a mobile device. This is actually a Galaxy 10 Plus that we're using. We're going to hit yes, and we want to upload files. So we're going to go ahead and click on upload, and we're going to say go to my files. And we're just going to hit here, double click on there, and notice it's going to upload. This is a Facebook image that I captured on my phone the other day from my hometown, and that's it. That's as simple as it is. And you see that file came right in with no problem, and as we open it, there's beautiful Lake Arrowhead. So that's kind of how that works. You can upload anything that you like, and it goes into this area here. Now, I'm not going to talk about that in this video, but you can then automate this through Power Automate, create a flow so that when files come in here, it sends off an email notification. It maybe moves these files to different areas. Maybe there's a specific file type name that you're going to put in here, or maybe even a type, and you want all PNGs to go to this location, etc., etc. It becomes very easy. And of course, you have sync to synchronize it to your laptop or phone or your device. So very simple, a nice, easy feature to upload files using Forms.